So, this is what happens if a Great Dane and a boxer confiscated a goose. Here is what's left over.
Is nie meer dakkie.
Getting the death roll of the crocodile. Oh, and the crocodile found something else.
Hoe lyk jy?
It is dead. Very much dead. Check jy Fluff op sy bout.
Cooper is happy steeds. Miljoene goed op die.
Akira, hulle het dit doodgemaak. Ja. Cooper. Dis daar.
Kyk hoe lyk dit, Cooper. Brrr.
Hy kan nou zoomies kry, wat? Oh, kakadakkie.
Brrr.
Cooper, wat jy gedoen? Seriously, op die video is dit die tweede keer. Waar is die dakkie? Waar is die dakkie? It's dood. Oh, you killed it. It is dead. Dead.